and daughter, I know and sister them.
Kenisha and Sean.
Eh? I wish one I brother there, sir. I miss Ivy. Come and see if I forget help when we get help from it here we here. Don't miss? Yes, so we have to talk on the camera and say we live in a Jamaica and so forth, part of the place that build up and the next part that developing up. So we are look help anybody we can help to develop because we house stay good. See that? Then we are wrapping down. So we are look help to build the house and things. See that the place and look good, you see it? Oh. So we are look help to talking now.
Yeah, what's your name again? Rika. Leonie daughter.
Okay.
Remember Kenisha? Yes, I'm the other one.
Okay. Oh,
Nice to meet you, man. You too, guys.
So what are you saying now?
I mean, I'm so ill. Fix some of my house.
So you know how much tile?
No, I don't really know how much.
Yeah. So the main thing in your house is just like get some tile for the floor.
Yeah.
The ceilings, we have the ceiling.
Like for Solitex.
Oh, you want to put Solitex up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. As I say, you know, we want to put the word out here.
Yeah.
You know, because nobody want to bless you.
Yeah.
You know, with some tiles. Yeah. You know, some Solitex so you can help out the ceiling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, it's the bigger one. Alright.
That look like a bit. Alright. I don't think so.
I want a new house.
A new house, yeah.
I could adapt to the look pan. Thank you very much. I'm ready to tear down and start.
Yeah. Let's say I want to rebuild this.
Want a new house.
Yeah, but I'll catch you now upon it then. So now. Eh? Okay.
Catch me. Me, I see myself, I'm not Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have to hide, you're not ugly. What you hide for?
I'm God, I'm gonna provide more, yeah?
Yeah, man, good chance.
Yes, bless up.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yeah, from them time, remember when the box to come and on this day, yeah, so the bag here for you, from Sevilla, they send this to make sure the camera so I go on in there. So this bag was from Sevilla, from the Overcomers. So this is your bag from Sevilla, from the Overcomers.
Sevilla from the Overcomers. Thank you very much for your strength. Your blessing in the bag. Grace. Thank you very much. Overcomers, enough respect and love. Your blessing. Thank you.
So the other day a donation come as well too. You know, from GG. Natural. GG, so you have $3,000 a year for you from GG from the USA.
GG from the USA. Thank you for your grace. Thank you for your respect and thanks. Every time.
And we also have 2,000 as well to hear for you from Max Mommy.
Max Mommy. I think Max Mother.
Yeah.
Max, pick up yourself.
Someone on the outside looking in.
Someone on the outside looking in.
Yeah.
Thank you for your grace, sir. Thank you for your blessing. Thank you very much for your respect. Every time.
Yeah, so we give time. Esther! Alright then. Barney, we have $3,000 here for you.
Yeah.
From GG, from the USA. 3,000 here for you from GG from the USA.
I'm speaking of GG from the USA. Enough man has enough love, you know. The food basket is never empty, you know. When the mouth don't come from spot, it's a come from. One team, big up yourself, GG.
So we can from GG from the USA.
Alright, no problem, darling. You have a key, Okay.
Alright, so someone can drive in, so we're driving
someone can ride with me and someone ride with me.
No, so we're headed to Tower Hill, which is down by Erica Place, you know where she's from. You know, so we're gonna drop out some stuff down there and then after we head to Trenchtown after, you know, so we're gonna be in Tower Hill, drinking in Tower Hill, you know, sharing the blessings. So you know it goes, I really give thanks. And the journey continues. All loading, lock and load.
Yeah man,
Alright, you ready?
yeah man, twice, you know.
Ready.
Every time. And one time.
now go.
Baby,
Right. Come on.
Remember me? Remember Miss Ivy? Yeah. Right at the corner? Yes. So that's Miss Catherine.
Okay. Blessing.
We're probably gonna come back. They forgot the ensure. Okay. So I have ensure and some ladies stuff where you can put on in your undergarment. So I'll drop off those another time for you because they forgot it. Are you here?
Yeah, alright, and take care of yourself.
All right, Miss Catherine, all the best. It's good to see you again.
Yeah.
All right.
Miss Catherine.
All right, then take care. Yeah. All right.
One of the belly coming in there maybe.
For them here one. Okay. Good. We can get one to please?
Yeah, one.
So that's my nice clean. Where
In the front of the yard.
petal. From I was a little girl, I know petal. Yes.
Petal.
Years. From I was a little girl, I know petal and our sister them and our family. So yes. Who's
Yeah.
her mom? Which is again? Her sister.
A big sister.
Long time.
Alright.
So we giving out the bags them too.
Hello. Come on, Erica. Say if you know. Hey, mommy this?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I see.
Mommy.
Oh, see resemblance.
Hello, no?
Ivy granddaughter.
It's Ivy granddaughter.
Which Miss Ivy?
Brother,
Brother, that's up?
yeah. Brother, uncle.
Okay.
Can see the resemblance.
Thanks. Me don't know him granddaughter, me know him sister them. Who? Kenisha and Sean. Eh? I wish one my brother there, sir. I Miss Ivy. Yeah. I know them. That's my auntie, Leonie. I know Leonie. That's my mom. I know Harry and brother. We didn't know them father and mother. We don't know you.
Years, you know.
I remember you though.
Okay.
From I was a little girl. So, you know, because we left so long.
Okay. Anybody else in there? You want a bag? Anybody else in there want a bag? She want a bag of groceries as well?
I don't think so. If you want, give me
I want a new house.
The new house, yeah.
I could adapt to the new pants. Thank you very much. I'm ready to tear down and start.
Yeah. They say want to rebuild this.
Want a new house.
Alright then.
And we can't find the money.
So it's soap in the bag. Yeah, she get the soap.
Get soap already?
Thanks, yeah. They said people in that name, Kino.
You want your son?
Yeah.
Come there.
Just here. Oh, okay. So over that yard. I'll leave it up there. I'll go have some road. Oh.
You give me already?
Just start.
Free like that? I could pop it that.
So from Miss Ivy Foundation, we just giving back to the community. Remember Miss Ivy at the corner that passed 2 years ago? My grandmother. Right. You're welcome.
Hello.
All right, Miss Richard.
It's Jackie.
Jackie from Miss Ivy.
Yeah.
my grandmother. Just doing a little give back to the people in the community. Mostly, you know, for the elderly.
Yeah.
So. Right here, so yeah, that's my grandmother.
The big man there.
Brother,
mother.
Yes, we are. Ken,
Brandon.
right, and Shirley them that live in Portmore now. Yeah, we're family. Where's Uncle Ken? He's not here exactly where.
Call wifey.
Oh, so who is that? His daughter?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's Arius? I remember Arius.
Yeah, so we're there in Tower Hill.
Oh,
Yeah, we're there in Tower Hill giving out some groceries, you know, for the needy, you know, helping out the less fortunate than see me. But this is where Erica is from, you know, this is her lane, Tower Hill with it. Yeah, so they are going walk the lanes, lane to lane, you know, give him back.
we can just leave
It's a
a bag
blessing.
for you guys. Excuse me. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah. What's your name again? Rika. Rita. Leonie's daughter.
Okay.
Remember Kenisha? Yes, I'm the other one.
Okay.
Nice
to meet you, man.
You too, guys.
But Kenny's not here, is at work.
No problem, so you can cook and
Okay, thank
eat
you
and be
very
merry.
much. I'll let him know.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I'm gonna be back though for Miss Catherine.
Is it the bigger one? Alright then.
That look like a bit.
Alright. Anybody again?
Give him a give him. Yeah man, qualify man. Take yourself, give thanks.
Yeah man, respect man.
Evening.
Alright boy. Him have to go back forward.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Don't someone at all. It's a good look, man. And I don't mind every door, every gate. You could have passed up.
That's what we're doing. Everybody was going around and giving them
Yeah,
groceries.
I'm a little friend. I get yours already. Yeah. Good.
And she carried to you.
Allah.
Good.
Yeah, man. Good look, man. Thank you. Yeah.
Sweetheart.
So,
So Mr. Blake, yeah, did right in here, so don't.
yeah, in this house.
Yeah. I'm son that man. Oh. I never seen face go there. Somebody else down there? Who else down there? So my sister?
Somebody else on the side. Go on, can I get my basket?
Then me. Okay, up there. Oh, no. That's what I love this thing, man. I'm blocking. We have more in the car?
Yeah.
Come on, after this. We're done, because that's a gully.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, call Princess.
Princess in there.
The picture I used to do this so.
Princess in there.
So who them people are there? You see? That's what's up. You like that? Hey. Good to see you, darling. But you're locked inside and can't come out, princess.
Não fiquei, não fiquei só com uma nada. Aí você vai ver lá acabou eu.
Yeah?
Lá acabou eu. Você vê tá botar.
Yeah?
Deus foi nem vai a culpa.
I know, I tell her every time. She know. She know. I saw me here say I'm coming fast off. Tell her to hear that.
I mean, man, like, they know how.
God know all things best. But it's good to see you, darling. So you not see me? Are you locked up in your house and can't come out? Wow. You want to hear the number? Me ask on the front page. Never do.
Janice! Janice!
Oh my God.
Back there for Delvin.
So I'm going to talk to them.
Come on, get this one.
Hello.
Shida?
We're giving out some grocery. I want to give you a bag. From Miss Ivy Foundation, my grandmother.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
All right, thanks. Thanks.
All right. Hello, darling.
Hi.
Cool. Hello.
Turn sideways. Turn sideways.
Miss Delvin.
Hello, darling.
Yo, baby, how are you?
Not bad. I'm giving out some grocery. Miss Ivy, my grandmother. Yes. Miss Loretta. Yeah, I remember Miss Loretta.
What do you can do?
Everybody said that. That's so it go. Welcome to America.
I will continue to.
Right. Yeah. So they give you a bag of grocery. Here it is. That's for you. All right.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Miss Loretta.
Good to see you anytime.
Sure thing. All right. Enjoy. God bless you.
Oh, I'll wait.
All righty. Well, Mr. Delvin. I'm wife. Oh, who did this one? One in the car.
One night.
Becky. How much kids you have?
Oh, no, I'm a nephew. Picnic them.
Oh.
Okay. So what are you saying now?
No, may I ask for help to fix up my house. Sometime also. Can you please and thanks.
How are these? One house together?
Yeah.
Two of them? Two different rooms?
Sure, Maria, sure.
You can't come through.
Now, what's interesting about this is that if we know the pizza takes 30 minutes to arrive, we can actually figure out how long it will take for the rest of the pool to be drained. Judging by the water level before he fell asleep and after he woke up, it looks like nearly half of the water is gone.
So,
this means he would only have about 15 minutes before he's standing on the pool floor. This is not a lot of time, and if I've already failed at all my attempts like this guy has, it makes a...
So basically they say you're looking for some assistance, right?
Yeah.
Like so you say you want to tile out your floor.
Yeah.
And like what else?
Doing the top.
So what's this, like a one room?
No, one round here is so different. I did set up round here. So I did don't set up round.
Okay.
Round here so they don't set up already. I only just start drop out of me and so I'm not driving.
Okay.
Our size bed is better. Come have some sheet.
Queen size.
Alright, I'll let you get 2 sheets. 2 sheets.
So you know how much tile?
No, I don't really know how much.
You know. So the main thing at your house is just like to get some tile for the floor.
Yeah. And
The ceilings, really the ceiling.
like for Solitex.
Oh, you want to put Solitex up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so. As I say, you know, I'm going to put the word out here.
Yeah.
You know, if anybody want to bless you.
Yeah.
You know, with some tiles.
Yeah.
You know, and some Solitex so it can help out your ceiling.
Yeah.
As we can see, like he was trying to do some work as well to so far. So if anybody want to bless you with anything, you know, then you can contact me, see me, and then I will reach back to Erica, and then we can make some arrangement, you know. So and normally when you put the video out there, you have to just hope and pray someone will reach out, you know. It's nice, you know, because it's not a guarantee sometimes, but we just nothing try, nothing done.
Hi,
right?
welcome to Pride Weekend, in a city where creatures of earth, water, fire, and air live. Two young people must overcome the challenges of being totally opposite elements.
Yeah, so by the help of the Almighty, you know, because just asking for some solitex, for ceiling, you know, or some tiles towards our floor. You know, so if anyone watching, you know, because we realize that them place it's just like that far from Trenchtown, seeing people living in the same deprived conditions and seeking help. You know, so if anyone out there watching and want to help her out with some solitex, you know, and something towards, get some tile towards our flooring. What's your name?
Petal.
Petal. So just hope and pray, you know, someone can reach out, you know, can reach somebody and just touch them. And can help a situation. Yeah, Petal?
Yeah, I'm grateful.
Yeah, man. Let's go and hold strong, see me, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, but I catch you now upon it then. So now.
Okay. Catch me. Me, I see myself, I'm not Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, if I did not ugly, what's your hide for?
And God, I can provide more, yeah?
Yeah, man. Good chance.
Yes, bless up.
Yeah, man. Alright, then take care, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Love them pretty dog, yeah? Not doing them to the charity.
You can't get Gemini.
Alright, then, yeah?
Alright, yes. Alright. And next time you're going to walk with the pot.
Yeah. I'll work with it next time. Yeah. So you see them already though? You see them face already?
Yeah. She knows everybody because she follow everybody.
Alright then.
Alright.
Thanks for watching, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I want to subscribe.
Yeah. Tell them.
I'll share my life.
Alright then.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah.
I should be sure that mama finna miss you.
See if I get help, we get help from it here. Don't miss? Yeah, so we have to talk on the camera and say we live in a Jamaica and so forth, part of the place I build up and the next part not developing up. So we are look help anybody we can help to develop because we house and stay good. See that? Then we are wrapping down, so we are look help to build the house and things. See that the place will look good, you see it? So we are look help, so I'm talking now.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.